Hi. After a while, my Kangaroo tail strop has been filled with a little bit of loaded up metal as I'm scraping off the wire edge. So I thought I might try cleaning it to see how it goes, and it comes up great. So all I'm using is some IPA, 90% water, 90% alcohol, 10% water, and I'm spraying on and rubbing off with a cloth, and even got the brush out, and I'm brushing and scrubbing, and you can see this is the bit that I've done, and those grooves have come back up again, and this is the bit that I'm going to do. So I'm going to put it on time lapse. You can watch me restore this Kangaroo tail strop. There you go. Ridges restored. Now, I don't know if the alcohol is going to dry it out. I presume it will, but we'll see if that has an effect. But I can feel those ridges have definitely lifted again, and look like they're ready for more stropping action. We'll see. If not, I've got plenty more.